Good evening. I'm John Roberts. Hurricane Dennis crashes onto the Gulf Coast with 120-mile-per-hour winds. Our team of correspondents will report firsthand from the hurricane zone. And we'll have these stories.
I'm Sheila McVicker in London, where the search for clues continues amid fears that terrorists may strike again. U.S. cities remain on high alert following the London bombings. I'm Joey Chen in Washington with the latest.
Waiting for the new Harry Potter book? I'm Mika Brzezinski, and I've talked to a man who's read the whole thing.
This is the CBS Evening News with John Roberts. Hurricane Dennis came ashore this afternoon, a dangerous Category 3 storm. Dennis hit the Florida Panhandle cities of Pensacola and Fort Walton Beach in its crosshairs, less than a year after the area was battered by Hurricane Ivan. The maximum sustained winds were clocked at 120 miles an hour, making Dennis one of the most powerful storms to hit the area in the past half-century. We have a team of correspondents deployed throughout the hurricane zone to bring you extensive coverage of this dramatic weather event. And we begin tonight with Jim Acosta in the bullseye in Pensacola. Jim.
John, Dennis was no menace. It was a monster, leaving behind a scene of destruction that is all too familiar to the people who live here. Dennis dropped the hurricane hammer, howling winds, and drenching rains. As the storm passed overhead, Wanda White's family hunkered down and prayed. Is it scary to watch?
Yeah, it is scary. Because you don't know what the end will be, what the outcome will be like now from hurricane, but then you don't know what the next minute might be.
Sheets of rain and a massive storm surge flooded Pensacola streets. Anything that wasn't nailed down or growing deep roots was blown away. This is Dennis at the height of the storm. A hurricane so powerful it seems to be picking up where another storm named Ivan left off just 10 months ago. Those blue tarps still covering homes awaiting repairs here simply peeled off, adding insult to Ivan's injury. Almost following Ivan's exact path, Dennis showed the Florida Panhandle that hurricanes can strike twice. For more on the storm, Trish Regan is standing by in Fort Walton Beach. Trish.
Jim, I am about 40 miles east of you here. As you can see, the wind got